Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best dashcams you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Viofo A229 Pro is a high-performance 3-channel dashcam offering comprehensive vehicle monitoring with 4K front, 2K rear, and 1080p interior cameras. It features advanced Sony starvis 2 sensors, HDR technology for balanced light conditions, and G-sensor functionality to capture critical moments automatically. Parking mode options and GPS logging enhance security and documentation, while voice control and dual-band Wi-Fi provide convenience. With loop recording, supercapacitor durability, and support for 512GB microSD cards, it ensures reliable uninterrupted performance. Praised for its stability and video clarity, the Viofo A229 Pro is a top choice for drivers seeking high-quality, all-encompassing vehicle surveillance. The Vantrue N4 Pro is a high-end 3-channel dashcam offering 4K front and 1080p rear and interior video recording, ensuring comprehensive vehicle surveillance. It features a Sony starvis 2 sensor for superior low-light performance and HDR technology for balanced exposure. Plate Pix enhances license plate capture, while voice control allows hands-free operation. With 24-hour parking mode, 5 GHz Wi-Fi for easy file access, and GPS logging for location and speed data, it provides robust protection. Supporting up to 512GB storage and boasting an advanced Novatech chipset, the Vantrue N4 Pro excels in performance, making it ideal for personal or professional use. The Escort M2 is a compact radar-mounted smart dashcam designed for seamless integration with Escort radar detectors, enhancing driving safety and security. It records in full HD 1080p resolution, ensuring clear footage day and night. Key features include built-in GPS for geotagged recordings, dual-band Wi-Fi for stable cloud connectivity, and parking mode for incident monitoring when the car is stationary. The G-sensor detects impacts, triggering emergency recordings, while the Drive Smarter app allows for video management and live feeds. With emergency alerts, automated incident reports, and continuous loop recording, the Escort M2 is ideal for drivers prioritizing safety and convenience. The Thinkware U3000 is a premium dual-channel dashcam featuring a 4K front and 2K rear camera for detailed footage. Equipped with a Sony starvis 2 sensor and Super Night Vision 4, it excels in low-light conditions. The advanced driver assistance system provides real-time safety alerts, while parking mode with radar technology enhances vehicle security. Built-in GPS logs critical data, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures seamless footage access via the Thinkware app. With wide-angle views, dual-channel recording, and intelligent features like cloud connectivity and speed camera alerts, the Thinkware U3000 offers comprehensive protection and advanced surveillance for modern drivers. The Blackvue DR970X Plus is a premium dual-channel dashcam featuring a 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera, ensuring detailed video capture. Powered by a Sony starvis 2 sensor, it delivers exceptional low-light performance. Advanced parking mode offers motion and impact detection, while cloud connectivity enables remote access, real-time alerts, and event uploads. Built-in GPS records location and speed, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows seamless footage access via the Blackvue app. With support for 512GB microSD cards and H.265 compression for extended recording, the Blackvue DR970X Plus provides comprehensive vehicle protection and advanced surveillance with robust connectivity options.